Hey garden friends, happy Sunday. So today I'm making a square succulent arrangement in this hypertufa pot here, and I'll show you the plants that I have. I have beautiful Graptosedum California Sunset. I'll try to get a little closer there. And as you can see, it's seen better days. I mean, the new growth is growing just super healthy, but those outer leaves there were taking a lot of sun. So if your succulents have these little spots like that, that means that they might be getting too much sun and you need to move them to the shade. And it's exactly what happened to this one. But once I did move it to some shade, it started to recover. Isn't that just gorgeous? Oh, Graptosedum California Sunset. I have 4 Crassula Ivory towers. Look at that. Beautiful, nice and chubby, just how I like them. And 4, this is Echeveria Subsessilis Morning Beauty. Look at that. So it's almost white. It's got farina on them, that natural sunscreen that some succulents develop to protect them from the sun. And I'll be making like a little mix and match arrangement here, and I'll show you what I'm talking about. But first, I need to fill this up with soil all the way to the top. There we go. Press that down a little. Gorgeous. Okay. And I'll start with my California Sunset right in the center. And I'll be very careful because their leaves are like, they're kind of stiff. They're like rigid. So they do pop off pretty easy. But their leaves propagate pups very easily as well. So if you do have one of these and you know you break off some leaves, just leave them in a dry shaded area and they'll start making pups all on their own. Very beautiful. And now for the morning beauties, I'm going to put one here, put one here, here, and here. I'll just gently tuck them in. Oh, I love this style of arranging succulents. If you haven't heard me say that before. So simple. If you have a few of the same succulents, you should really try it out. Oh, I love it. And now for the ivory towers, one there, one there, and there, and one here. And I'll make them a little deeper there. Ooh, how cute. And I'll tuck them in. Just like that. Oops. And I'll add a little more soil. Looks like I can add a little more soil to this one right here. There we go. Oh, how cute. I thought that the color combination would just look so adorable. So happy and spring-like. Press it down a little, just like that. Now on the other side. Add one more. Oh, there we go. And I'll kind of make a deeper well for this one so it can fit better. Right there. There we go. That looks a lot happier. Just like that. Oh, so cool. Oh my gosh. Okay, now I'm going to dust them off a little. Maybe I should use my little blower. Okay. There we go. Perfect. And I'll kind of get some of that soil out just to make it a little more clean. Get it out of the way. There we go. Oh, and now for my stones. And I have smaller stones here just to complete the look. And hopefully I have enough of these smaller stones. Just work my way around. Ooh, beautiful. And I'll go on to the other side. Kind of lift this one up a bit, just like that. And I'll need my knitting needle for sure to tuck some in right in between these little spaces here. But I'll finish off the rim first. Can you believe that this is the only California sunset I have? I'm so glad that I can finally use it. It was very small before. So now I'll tuck some stones right in there. Oh, come on, work with me. There we go. Perfect. I see. I can fit some right here. All right. Some right over here that I'll tuck in. Excuse me. There we go. And I'll cut off that root there that's coming out. It won't hurt the succulent. Put some stones on top of it. And I'm almost done here. And I think it came out just how I want it. Oh, beautiful. A little more there, and maybe one more tucked in there. Oh, that's great. So kind of lift that one up, put a little stone there. There, perfect. Oh, yes, that worked out nice. Get my little brush here. This poor little ivory tower, oh my god. I'm torturing it, I can tell. All right, perfect. That worked out. I mean, the color on the California sunset is just incredible. I love it. I'm gonna lift it up a bit, just so you can see it a little closer. Check that out. Isn't that awesome? I love it. Really, really love it. So easy. Doesn't take much work either. Oh my gosh, I love it. I hope that you enjoyed this succulent arrangement. And I hope everyone has a beautiful, peaceful Sunday. Until next time, guys. Bye.